All right, let's do this. I think, yeah, okay. Let's have a look at some charts. Okay, so this is from, I think this week is 17 or 16, I think 16. This is from, I was trading, I'm trading another account now through Ninja, through actually Ninja through TradingView. I'm also trading something with MT5, but yeah. So these positions here is something that I put on, and actually let's talk about it. So what we have here is US 100. I was trading NQ, but yeah. So this is EU overlap. I'm outlining the time 0900. This is the, well, I like to call open of EU time trade zone, and 0900, that is a Swedish time. And yeah, so this instrument might not be awake at this time, but you know, I was trading anyway. So we have two positions here to start off. Price comes, let's find pointer. Let's see, this works. Cool. Price comes, falls down, yeah, from this level to this level, come back down, and to this level. Notice here we break with power going down. So initially we got a push down, and we have a high here. We get pushed down, come back up again, highs respected, and boom, I entered here. I entered here because spinning top formation, right? Because spinning top balance formation with down force means I want to enter short, and so I did. And that's the first position, right? And stop is so this, the power is here in this formation. The next wave up is here, so the stop was here, kinda like marked it out here. Yeah, and this is the recent low, and this should be the target right here, as it's outlined like this. Second position is this one. So first position, I kept on. I was looking at this, and when we came to somewhere here, I closed it beforehand, and that was because I had a second position on as well, right? So let's remove this. Second position is this. So price comes back up into where the power was, and we're moving down, right? Notice we have one big black bar, another back bar, and then we have another, like a balance formation. I'm thinking to myself, okay, so we have a push down, we have balance, but you know what? We spike into the price gap here, and I enter short off that, and I'm thinking, okay, so the R is not really there, but you know what? I'm gonna add this, and probably I can trail it fast. And so I did, and that's the second position. So you see, yeah, a second. So I have two positions on, right? My stop is here for both of them pretty much, right? And I'm entering short, and yeah, so I have two on. We go back down here, we get some kind of rejection, reacting to this. I'm thinking, okay, are we gonna continue or not? I'm not sure. And I see this pin. I don't want to add yet another position, although I should, but I did not. So because the same scenario happened again, right? Another move down. You see, 1, 2, 3, with a gap, with a spike into it and down, and the TP here, we hit it. What I did do, however, position 1, position 2, I trailed it to this level, as denoted by the black thing here. I trailed it because I actually thought, you know what, all my rules and all my reading of price, this time I'm wrong, which is quite silly. But yeah, these things pop into my head quite a lot, and I thought, yeah, I know better than my system, which is, well, it's incorrect. So anyway, turns out positions 1 and 2 went to the target. Position 3, which may have had to have a target down here, would probably hit as well. We don't know because I didn't put it on, but you know, it's fairly close. I mean, I could be like, yeah, okay, the target should be here. Yeah, it should be here. Oh, what's that? Come on, give me a line. Oh, yeah, the target should be here, and yeah, so you see, should be hit, but you don't know because of the spread, right? But yeah, so 1-2 hit, and yeah, whatever. So that's that. Moving on. Later that day, or that session, there was another trade which I also put on, and it's this one here. And so let's go blue and let's go pen. So we reach the point here, we get here, and some people may say, oh, we reached the previous low from the previous session, CISD and swish of the power switch. Yeah, cool, that's your story. I know some people lose that mentality, it's quite popular. However, my logic is this. We go down, we come back up, we go back down again. And now, notice black circle with dash. We create higher price here. This is the high, right? Spike into it. We create a higher price, close. And that means price now has the power to go above the previous level. So the direct power has now switched to the long side. And now what I need is an entry signal, and it happens here. The white body with the spikes, spin top formation, right? And we step into the void here. And yeah, the entry is off this white, and that's the signal, and that's the stop. And so this one I entered, I took 1-2 bars and I closed it here, but this position is supposed to be like this. Stop below here, like this shows. And so at this point, this is the previous level, skipping it. So we're skipping it. Next level is here, and that is the target. Should be here. So again, that's what I thought, and that's what I did. I would like to say, oh, but that's a good job, you made some money. No. Following the rules would be a good job. The money. Yeah, if I told you I made over 300 points this week. Points as in, well, I was trading DAX, for example. I was trading NDX on the other account. Man, if you can make 300 points in a week, that's pretty good, yeah? Like week before I made over 500 points. I mean, so, but that's not why I'm here. That's not why. Somebody, actually I was watching another video, and somebody said, well, if I can even make 15 points in a one day on average, you're gonna be very happy. Yeah, probably. So yeah, I'm not here to show that. So I'm showing I'm downloading my thoughts, my charts, what I did. That's what we do here. So okay, so that's the trade I took, and yeah, the session goes on, and I just left it at that because, you know, some meetings, some things to do, and I left the market at that time. Next chart. So we have this. This is the next day. This is ES. Yeah. So same deal. Notice the time here. 0900 Swedish time, and yeah, the gray outline is Asia overnight session. Whatever. It's like look at the bars. Small, 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 and small reaction. Boom, first one, white, big, 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 big. So there's some sort of trading starts going on, and so here I like to see, well, where is the power? When does the power come into the market? The power as in the volume, right? When do the trades start happening, right? Okay. So there's some 2 trades here, and I was looking at this chart to place these, and actually it's funny because at this time I was trading the DAX, but I didn't make a chart of it. But anyway, but these are 2 trades I would put on ES, right? So we have whatever's going on over here, something's going on over here, like this, yeah, whatever. Okay, we got some wave, and bam, we break, power is going up, right? So now this is the strong area, created this, we have no gap, we go up, 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 we have a huge void here, right? So obviously looks like power is up. Okay, so we end up here, we reject here, we get gather power here, we reject higher, but we don't really close higher. But yeah, okay, so we have a void, so maybe I would enter off this, not my system though. And finally we close higher. This white close is higher than this level, so okay, we have more strength to go higher, right? And we fall back down. Now notice black plus white, yeah, okay. Now look at this. Okay, that's no good. I'm a professional painter. Paint application, right? What's going on here? There we go. And this, and this, and this. Come on now. All right. So this is the gap here. Notice that, well, the entry formation is here. Yes, I know we spiked into the area. The power may or may not be absorbed. However, this bar formation does not tell me that we have power going up. We just simply have small rejection of the area. These together though, depending on how you interpret the modulation of price and the power and the volume, it does tell me to go long over higher. And so the price from this point, the trade is here. Let's see. So let's go like this. So we have strength from this level. No, it's a bit much actually. We have strength from this level, and that means this should be strong, and that means we have a stop. And we came up to this level. I don't see anything more. Target should be double, right? And wave, because I don't have anything to target. There may be some other thing on a time frame over here to target, but whatever, I can't see it, so it's not there. You heard me right. I can't see it, so it's not there. Okay. So price should come here and create something else, right? Regardless of if we have a target here or not. This is what happens. So I enter here for long, stop here. Now, price just chops around, it goes eventually even higher. Cool, we have a gap, yeah, and we are higher. So there should be strength up, right? But no, look. This is double top formation. And if this is double top formation, I can use one of my trailing methods to put the stop here, right? Because we came to a higher level here with a gap. We again come to the level, but look, it's now exhausted, it's now tired. And the strength came from this level, could not create higher price. And that tells me, well, okay, we don't have enough power to go higher. I should trail my position. I should protect at this point. And then we get the second trade. Yeah, so price falls down with this big bar, creating another gap. Let's change the colors. Creating another gap, and the power is from here or from this. Actually, these are the same level, so this is the power, right? Down. So we fall down, we come back. So we have one pin. This is one entry with one SL here, right? Also here This is the kind of cross doji with the black. This is engulfing formation. This is a harami formation. Harami formation means breaking of power, decrease of power. And the same way, if you have balance in a downtrend, the strength is really down, right? So here the strength is down according to my interpretation, and that's what I'm following, right? And the power entry signal here is, well, first of all, we have white plus doji, meaning so we have the breaking of power. Power is stopping. And then following, we have doji plus black fill. So engulfing, right? I know it's small, it's not big, who cares? But also look, we have white bar, spike into it, and black down. So we have 1, 2, 3 also formation, right? So this is a reason to go short for me, right? Yeah, so the entry is here, stop is here at the previous strength level, and as for the targets, oh, come on, I'm gonna zoom out. When we are here, this is the previous strong level. This is the previous strong level. I'm not targeting that. This is the next strong level. That's what I'm targeting. And because we didn't scrape the high, the deep target is here, and that's what we see here. Same one. Many funny colors today, but yeah, that's that's the trade pretty much, and it pretty much just smashes it. And yeah, sure, we go further. Who cares, right? Who really cares? And that's how it goes sometimes. And yes, I know. Look at the price. I could probably trail it even further, but could have and would have, etc. Does not matter. So that's yeah, 2 of my ideas I wrote down for this week. And yeah, if you are looking at some of my trades on Instagram, sometimes I post some charts, I post some information there. Yeah. I was quite happy actually this week. I thought, this week was a bit shorter. One day was just gone, right? Because Easter, apparently. And I was up to 220 points on DAX. DAX and NDX trades, right? And I thought, well, that's not quite a lot. And then I remembered, oh, but I'm also trading Ninja through TradingView. And I didn't add them together. But so for this week, 300 points easy, and feel good about that. But yeah, anyway, so I'm rambling on. I don't have more examples to show. If you like this, what you see, if you like the video, go ahead and like the video. And if you have any questions or whatever, just go ahead and post them. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the markets.